Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wabash County, Indiana, Fulton County, Indiana, eastern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, northwestern Miami County, Indiana, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Rochester to near Marion, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wabash, Rochester, North Manchester, Winnipeg, Akron, La Fountain, Pulaski, Kewanna, Roan, Lago, Fulton, Monterey, Macy, Lighters Ford, Rick Valley, Neva Lake, Liberty Mills, DeLong, Lake Bruce, and Star City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning.